Uma muthenya wa ihoru hindi iria Mwiri uria wari murutwo wa University ya Rongo ukuhurukagio mwena wa Magare kaunti-ini ya Homabay. Andũ a nyũmba ya Sharon magikorwo makigirika kuna mwana wao ni kuragwo oragirwo na njĩra ĩrĩ na magigi, makiuria thirikari ndĩkahuruke nginya itigirire kihoto kia mwana wao ni kionekana.
Sharon from 3rd day of September when my girl was kidnapped. I'm seriously wonder, and especially when I looked at some of the suspects in court, I always fall into tears. Tears do roll down my cheeks.
Atongoria matiganite onao nimegwikinyitie mathiko-ini maya kuria mũmbunge wa Homabay town Peter Kaluma na murugamiriri wa atumia kaunti-ini iyo Gladys Wanga ũndũmwe na mũmbunge wa Mbita Milio Thiambo mamenereirie gikuo kiu makiuga aria matabanirie njuragano iyo magĩrĩirwo kuerwo ikinya rĩrũmu rĩa kiwatho.
So we don't want to hear the nonsense of imprisonment. We want to hear that the person has hung. Yes.
Kaluma will join you in watching brief to make sure that there is justice for Sharon. So that the people who think that they can be killing people with impunity, let them know this is a thing of the past. And I want to thank the DPP and the government because of the concerted action that they have taken now to ensure that the people that are doing things that are against the law are brought to book.
Ekoiro atatu aria marakuruhanio na gikuo kiu aria ni hamwe na gavana wa Migori Okoth Obado, hamwe na Michael Oyamo na karani wake Kaspa Ubiero maiketio rumande nginyanagia tariki 24 mweri uyu kuria makamenya kana ni makarekererio na bodi. Kũngĩna kuo andũ na family imwe ni mathikirwo mwena wa Ingote kaunti-ini ya Kakamega. Anaya makuire kurumirira mutino mũru wa barabara uria wakuruhanirie bathi ya Homeboys barabara-ini ya Londiani guthi Muhoroni ituura-ini ria Fort Ternan tariki 10 mweri uyu.